Okay guys, welcome back. This is Jimdel-Edu. I'm back for another tutorial. At this time we have an advanced SQL login, and this is I use let me show you 1 second. I'm using a web server here, and this is the live server. This one works on live server. Okay, this is a login part, this is a register, and I use captcha. Okay, I use captcha code where you can enter a captcha code, six digit number. Also have my PHP admin here. I'm going to make the difference for you between the two, live server and local host. Okay, and this is a live server, this part. As you can see, HTTPS 2W. Okay, this is a website name. Also, this is a local host. Okay, first thing first, let me use our local host so that you can see, and let me register. And also, let me one more thing. Let me show you, if you forgot your password here, you can click on forget password, but it will not work on a local host. Okay, but live server, yes. Okay, let me go back, and okay, let me register first and put any name. Let me put, for example, if I put Jimdel-Edu like this as a username and password, let me choose my own password. Okay, confirm password. Why if I did not put a same password? Let me and put my email address. And put my email address. Put anything, example, okay, at gmail.com. Now I've had a 6-digit number I have to enter as a captcha. The first one is a 4 3. Let me zoom. I want to zoom this a little bit. Okay guys, now 4 3. This third one is letter. This is E, I guess. E, B, Q, C, and click register. Now now this is the message that we get. Username must contain only letters and numbers. The first thing, let me remove. I'm going to put a Jimdel. Just put Jimdel and register again. Now I say password do not match. Okay, now as you can see, I'm going to put the correct password. Okay, and then click register. Username or email exists, one of them. Okay, let me change my username. I'm going to put Jimdel code like this. Okay, put anything and then click register. Yeah, maybe my email address. Let me choose different email address. Put 02. Okay, example 02@gmail.com. Click on register. Okay, now you see, as you can see, we have the message that said you have successfully registered. You can now log in. And for the login, remember I have a Jimdel code username and put my password. And I'm going to put the wrong password to see. I'm going to show you something. Okay, I'm going to put and click. This is what it says: incorrect username and password. And now, as you can see, it said you have 5 attempts remaining. If I put something wrong again, I click login. Now you have 4 attempts remaining, and put something, remove 1. Now you have 3, and so on. Let me put the correct password. Okay, and click login. Now I'm in, and this is it. Now this is a home page, and this is a profile. You can see your profile, and this is my account right here, Jimdel code, and this is my email address or member, and this is the date, today's date, and the time. And here I can edit everything. I can edit my my username. I'm going to put something else instead of Jimdel code. I'm going to put I'm going to put a Jim code 02 instead, and click save. it saved immediately, Jim code 02. And here I can log out. If I log out, I'm going to okay, Jim code 02. I got it here and put my password and click on login. Same thing. Okay, as you can see now, work fine on localhost. And let me show you here. If I refresh the page, now we have 1, 2, 3, and let me refresh it. Okay, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, we have Jim code 02, and is the email address activated. This is okay, member since, and is my okay. Now this is a local host. Let me show you. This is localhost advanced SQL login, and now let me log out. Okay, if you forget your password, it will not work on localhost. Now let's go back to live server. Okay, this is a live server. Okay, and for this is for live server, same thing. I'm going to register first and then log in back. Okay, let me register first. I'm going to use pretty much the same thing. Let's use Jimdel code. Put it this way. Put Jimdel code anything, and for my password, okay, 02, and I'm good. Okay, now I'm going to use alarm. I'm going to show you that if you forget the password, it work on live server. I put my my password. Okay, and now enter. Now they asked me to enter my 6-digit code. The first one is I think the first one is HB1D. That one should be 5F. I think not S. And click yeah, you see, yeah, incorrect captcha code. Okay, I think it's not 5, it's letter S. SF Jimdel code. Okay, here right here, click on incorrect. You say HB1D. This is letter SF. Register. No. The first one is HB1D. The second one should be S. Wow. I can see that down. HB1D. Put 5 again. Click register. Wow. Let me try to get this. I can't. Sometimes you can't even read it. Okay. I put Jimdel code again. Put my password. Okay, confirm password and put my email address. Put okay, enter the captcha code. This is the first one is F304ZH. This is H. Yep. Okay, now as you can see, you have successfully registered. Now you can now log in. Now let me log in. Say I use Jimdel code and put my password and click log in. Okay, as you can see, this is a live server. This is right here. You can see www.https www. Okay, and now I'm in. Welcome back, Jimdel code, and click on profile. I can see my profile, and I can change the same thing. I can change my username. Let me put 02 here, Jimdel code 02, and save it. Now save it, and I can let me log. Okay, now I'm going to use I got it here, Jimdel code 02, and put my password. Okay, and click on login. Now same thing, I'm in. Okay, see my profile, and I can edit it. Okay, now let me log. I'm going to log out. Now I'm going to try to log in, and like, if in case if I forget my password, okay, if I forgot my password, I'm going to say forgot password and put my email address, okay, and click on submit. Now I say reset password link has been sent to your email. Now let me grab my email here. As you can see, it's right here. You can check the time, 4:22 p.m. 4:22 p.m. right here. And let me do this. You can see 4:22, that's 16:22, that equal 4:22 is a login secure PHP, and then they ask me to click on the link. Is the link. Okay, let me show you. And now I say please click the following link to reset your password. Now I'm going to click here. As you can see, this is my email address. Let me click here now. Okay, I think you got it now. Okay, and put on the new. I'm going to put my new password here, and I'm going to put okay, this is my new password, and click on submit. Okay, now it says password has been reset. Now you can now log in. Okay, if I click here, click login, is now I got everything here. Okay, guys. Okay, this is okay. I have everything here. I can log in, and this is my username, new password. Okay, and click login, and I'm in. That's simple. Now it's work. You can see work on localhost and on live server. Okay, guys. All right. So okay, let me log out. You can check it out, guys. If you want, you can check it out. If you want, you can check it out. Is the website name? It's a go2jd.com. Okay, you can check it out. You can check this and try to see work properly. Okay, I'm going to okay this, and this is the local spot now. And if I do this, let me open my code editor. Okay, I'm going to let me open my code editor. Okay, because I'm going to I want to okay code this with you guys. All right, let me put this down a little bit. All right.